A month ago, I saved your ass. A month ago, I saved your ass by telling you don't be trapped on ZBCN, right? If I helped you to not be trapped and not sell and capitulate about all your bags back then a month ago, smash and cook the like button because we're going to talk about the second video of don't be trapped on the ZBCN bear look, okay? Don't sell your long-term position. If you have like a trade you just recently did, of course you can short-term sell it, but don't capitulate on the idea of ZBCN. This video, it comes to show you that it's not time to call it quits, and if you're not a believer, you should be a believer of ZBCN at least for the next month or 2 months. Okay, this is the video I made on July 2nd, okay, called ZBCN don't be trapped, they're after your bags. Okay, same thing today. Now, I'm going to share the chart. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think, and I'm going to go about, all the ideas and what you should do here on, okay? And the one thing you don't want to do, again, is be trapped. Remember, this is where I told you don't be trapped. It went lower after the video. This is July 2nd, roughly here, okay? Roughly here. Went lower, but then all of a sudden, since then, it moved, higher, 120% since. If you didn't sell, because I told you not to sell in that last video, which happened in the other, the main account, by the way, if you are not subscribed to that one, you can go subscribe to that one. Also, if you just this one, subscribe to this one, it doesn't really matter as long as you smash the fucking like button and send this to the algorithm to share everyone. Zebacean, ZEBEC Army, where you at? Send this, like it, comment in the section below if I helped you to not be trapped, bear trapped last time over here. Now, this time, same thing. Do not be trapped by thinking that this is going to go down from here. A lot of people are telling me ZBCN is a scam, ZBCN is going to zero. All cryptos eventually for me are scams, but I'm looking at the short to mid-term proposition, not looking at 2030, 2040. I'm looking at September 2025, which is a month, less than a month, October maximum. Okay, I want to tell you what I believe can happen on ZBCN. All right, the one main caveat is that as long as we're above this line, the 0045, let's call it line, my thesis hold. If we go below this line, then my thesis doesn't hold and we need to reevaluate what will happen. If we go below it for a day or two and then back up, holding. But if we do something like this, lower, then retest and then back lower, not. Okay, so one thing, risk management, I'm always going to tell you what does invalidate our thesis, but for now our thesis is live and kicking. Don't be trapped. As long as we're above this line, don't be trapped. You can hold it, the longer term positions. If you bought anywhere here, you're good. Okay, if you just started a position here, you're still good. You can put a stop, a break even, whatever. Now, if you bought here and here, you definitely don't want it to go below this area. You need to risk manage that position. Now, that's what I'm going to tell you because I love teaching people how to risk manage. That's what I do. That's the professional part of what we try to teach here from educational purposes on this channel. But if you want more and you feel that is this not enough, you can join the VIP, scan the QR code, or if you're on mobile, check the link in the description. And again, you can take advantage of the summer sale 25 coupon code for 25% off for the membership. So if this is the this is the support line, okay, the 0045 area is the support line, and it tells, let's say it does hold fine and dandy, what should we expect? Well, a few things. First of all, you can see that we are within this type of triangle. Okay, so another point is that as long as we're within this triangle, we can be good. You can see that the triangle is becoming more, it's squeezing, okay? It's squeezing. It won't let us go below the 45 area, for more than a day, okay? That's why I'm saying a day maximum, but then it's 2 days maximum. Then you want to be getting back in range. What I see happening is something like this, maybe a bit steeper like this, and eventually, boom, breakout, then another stair step, and boom, another breakout. Now, I can't predict the future. No one can predict the future. Anyone telling you that he can predict the future and can foretell exactly what's going to happen is a complete charlatan, okay? But from my experience of how coins kind of, the architecture of a move of a coin, this has a good probability of working. So anything like this, for example, or maybe even faster, we're gonna get some moves because Ethereum is moving now. Okay, so maybe we're gonna get some love on on ZBCN now. We're gonna break a little bit and stall above this area and then move, then break out without stalling further, then stall for a flag and boom, continuation. Any one of these two can happen imminently, okay, while within this triangle. And I want this to happen. I'm gonna make sure, and again, I'm gonna make sure anyone and everyone that is our member is going to get the signal to get in, when to get out, when to get out in a profit, where to get out in a loss if it's invalidated. But we are in the alt freaking season. Okay, this is we believe the alt season, right? The biggest alt season of this cycle, not 2017, not 2021, of this cycle, which was, without any real alt season. So the biggest one of this cycle is upon us, okay? And we believe ZBCN can be one of the main stars of this move, okay? So what you need to do, okay? Join the membership, scan the QR code, as I said, or check the link in the description, and of course, do the discount. Use it. 25%, Somersault 25 coupon code. Use it, okay? Use it, use it, use it. Don't miss any of the trades that we have, because hey, we have make so many trades right now. I'm going to even share this for you just to give you a sneak peek. I'm going to give you a sneak peek, okay? Where is this? I'm going to give you a sneak peek. Look at this, okay? Look at this, okay? This is an Ethereum trade from June 29th. Get in at the 24,600, okay? The 24,600, just make sure you can see this is June 29th, 24,600. Now we're at 4,700. Almost a double in a month on Ethereum. And not only that, we actually doubled down 6 days ago on Ethereum, okay, adding more and more. You can see from the 3,700 and 3,950 we added. We have a huge position in Ethereum. And we traded AIoT, of course, we traded ZBCN's move. We're trading more and more coins all the time because we don't fall in love with coins. We just trade them and we capitalize upon them. We're not hodlers. No, no, no. We are traders. We just want to make money with our positions, and that is it. So again, we invite you to come. And if you have more than $100,000 and definitely more than a mil, join the Elite VIP, because any mistake you make on a big account is so painful. Stop making those mistakes and definitely stop round tripping. Join us. We're waiting for you. This is the last innings of the bull market. Let's fucking go. Let's smash it together, everyone. We'll see you in the next one. Until next time. Till that comes, no edge, no trade.